and missing faces in my head, which is not good for my health. The glory of terror says more, while that of horror says none. That's why tongues cannot say. My mind makes a mind that think, faster and better than a ticking clock. See excessive flow of words confuses. Me, the one that starts bad must end well. Save the doorbell of greatness is opted out. You would hear hell noise of celebration. Do not get confused, my brethren, brothers and sister in art or act either, for it seems like a missing cells in my brain. No, kind of mixing cells in the brain, a missing phases in my head, which is not good for my health.